Millions of discarded coconut husks enter this factory and become ropes, floor mats, and mattresses. What looks like agricultural waste can become useful products through powerful industrial processing. This full process turns rough husks into strong, durable household products. Inside this modern coconut factory, timing, cleanliness, and machinery drive every stage. The final products look simple, but the transformation behind them is surprisingly complex. The secret lies in the fiber hidden inside the thick outer coconut husk. Now let's follow the complete journey from coconut husk to finished industrial products. Every husk must be processed efficiently before it can be turned into clean, usable fiber.
The story begins in coconut plantations, where mature coconuts are harvested in large numbers. Every coconut contains multiple useful layers, but this factory focuses on the outer husk.
The coconuts are harvested once they reach the right maturity for husk quality. After harvest, the coconuts are grouped for transport and pre-processing. Sorting helps separate coconuts by size and general quality before factory delivery. Once collected, the coconuts move toward industrial processing facilities. From tropical farms, the coconuts begin a second life as industrial raw material. Each batch is measured and organized before entering the main supply chain. The valuable coir fiber is locked inside the thick outer husk layer.
Careful stacking keeps the raw material moving efficiently toward the factory.
The plantation stage ends here, and the factory transformation begins. Now the coconuts are ready to enter large-scale modern processing. At the factory, incoming coconuts are unloaded, inspected, and organized. The raw coconuts are transferred onto conveyors for the first factory operations. Inspection removes damaged coconuts that could reduce fiber quality. Weight tracking helps the plant estimate yield and production targets.
Technicians check the condition of the husk before full processing begins.
Approved coconuts move forward, while unsuitable material is removed from the main line. Sieving controls the flow of raw material into the rest of the factory. Short staging keeps the process moving without long storage delays. This stage determines how efficiently the entire factory can operate.
The raw coconuts are now ready for mechanical separation.
The first major step removes the thick, fibrous husk from the hard shell. These machines separate the outer husk quickly and with high force.
Once separated, the shell and husk follow different industrial paths. The husks, once considered waste, become the main raw material for coir products. The shell is removed from this product stream because the factory focuses on husk fiber. Not every husk behaves the same, so quality checks continue before extraction. Before fibers are separated, the husks are prepared for mechanical opening.
Pre-processing loosens the material before the fiber extraction stage. At this point, the factory has isolated the outer husk for coir production. Now the toughest part begins, separating usable fiber from the husk structure.
Defibbering machines pull the coir fibers out of the thick husk material.
The machines break the husk structure apart to release the embedded fibers. The process creates two main outputs, long coir fibers and fine coir pith. The finer pith is separated because it behaves differently from the stronger long fiber. Fiber length and cleanliness help determine what final product it can become. Additional processing opens the fiber bundles and improves separation. Freshly extracted coir is rough, dusty, and still needs cleaning.
The main product stream keeps the long fibers that can become rope, mats, and mattresses.
Once extracted, the coir fiber must be cleaned and prepared for downstream production. The hidden fiber is now free, but it still needs treatment before use.
Washing removes dust, pith residue, and loose debris from the extracted coir.
The washing stage loosens remaining particles trapped in the rough fiber surface.
Rinsing flushes out finer particles before drying begins. Dewatering helps reduce moisture before the fibers enter drying systems. Even spreading helps the fiber dry more uniformly.
Drying reduces moisture and improves the fiber's stability for storage and manufacturing.
Some operations also use sun drying, especially in warmer coconut-producing regions.
As the fiber dries, it becomes lighter, fluffier, and easier to sort.
Moisture control matters because different products need different fiber behavior.
After cleaning and drying, the coir is ready for sorting and product assignment. The dried coir is now sorted by length, texture, and intended end use. Longer fibers are often used for rope, while other grades go to mats and mattress fillings.
Manual quality checks help improve consistency before the fibers are compacted.
Some fiber is compressed into bales for storage or transfer to other production lines.
Hydraulic balers reduce volume and make the material easier to move and store.
The bales are strapped to hold the coir tightly during handling.
Bales are tracked internally, so the right fiber reaches the right product line.
The strongest and longest fibers continue toward the rope-making section.
Other grades are directed toward mats, mattress pads, and cushioning applications.
At this stage, one raw material becomes several specialized industrial streams.
First major product line turns long coir fibers into strong rope. The fibers are aligned before they are twisted into stronger continuous lines.
Twisting binds many loose fibers into a usable coir yarn. Multiple strands are then combined to create thicker, stronger rope. This is the stage where rough plant fiber becomes a recognizable finished material.
The finished rope is wound into coils or spools for storage and sale. Strength testing confirms whether the rope can handle its intended use.
Finished coir rope is durable, natural-looking, and widely used in agriculture and industry.
Different rope sizes are produced depending on the fiber grade and market need. The rope line shows one of the strongest uses for coconut coir fiber. Another line turns coir fiber into durable floor mats.
The mat line begins by forming the fibers into a flatter, wider structure.
Some mats are woven, while others are bonded or needled into shape.
The rough texture helps make coir mats effective for scraping dirt from shoes.
Large mat sheets are trimmed into standard retail and industrial sizes.
Edge finishing improves appearance and reduces loose fiber shedding.
Some mats receive a backing layer for stability and improved floor grip. Inspection checks whether the mat is even, dense, and properly finished. Finished mats are stacked by product type before packaging. This line turns coarse natural fiber into a highly practical household product. A third line turns coir fiber into dense mattress layers and sleeping pads. The first step creates a thick, uniform pad of loose coir. A bonding material helps hold the coir structure together in a stable shape. Compression begins shaping the loose fiber into a supportive cushion layer. Pressing and curing lock the fibers into a durable mattress core.
Once cured, the coir layer has enough strength to hold its form.
Long pressed slab is cut into mattress sizes for different markets.
Thickness and density matter because they affect comfort and support.
Some coir mattresses are combined with textile or cushioning covers for final sale. The result is a natural-looking mattress core or finished mattress product. Quality control now checks all three major product lines before packaging.
Rope is checked for strength, twist quality, and structural consistency.
Mats are checked for density, edge quality, and visual uniformity.
Mattress cores are tested for compression recovery and support behavior. Density testing helps confirm that the mattress core meets production targets.
Visual inspection systems help catch surface defects before shipment. Final hand finishing improves presentation and reduces loose material. Only approved products move into the final packing and distribution stage. The factory now has 3 clean product families ready for final handling. Quality control protects performance, durability, and consistency across the factory.
The final stage prepares each coir product for storage and shipping. Rope coils are bundled for wholesale, industrial, or retail distribution.
Mats are packed by size and style to simplify distribution. Mattress products are wrapped carefully to protect shape and cleanliness. Sealed packages protect the products during warehouse storage and transport.
Automation helps the factory prepare large mixed shipments efficiently. The finished products are organized by type, batch, and shipping destination. Wrapped pallets stay stable during longer transport and warehouse storage. From here, the Coir products move into local and global distribution channels. The packaging stage connects manufacturing with real-world retail and industrial use.
The final product family reveals how much value can come from one overlooked material. Rope is one of the clearest examples of strength coming from natural fiber.
Coir mats turn rough tropical fiber into a practical daily use product.
Mattresses use the fiber in a completely different way: support, density, and airflow.
Each product follows a different path, but all begin with the same coconut husk.
The natural structure of coir makes it suitable for durable industrial applications. A single raw material can support multiple product lines in one modern factory. Behind each finished item are machines, workers, and a carefully controlled process.
Factory turns a low-value agricultural byproduct into useful market-ready goods.
The finished display highlights the practical versatility of coconut coir.
From tropical agriculture to modern manufacturing, the coconut husk travels a remarkable path. What began as waste becomes strong and useful through industrial processing.
Mat line turns natural roughness into a product designed for everyday use. The mattress line shows how coir can become dense, structured, and comfortable. This one material supports household, industrial, and bedding applications at the same time. A large coconut factory combines heavy processing with finished goods manufacturing. The more carefully the fiber is graded, the better the final products perform.
Each product reveals a different side of coconut coir: strength, texture, or support.
This is why industrial processing can unlock hidden value from agricultural waste.
From the factory floor, these coir products move out into homes, farms, and industries.
The final product line shows the surprising reach of coconut-based manufacturing.
Although they share the same origin, each product feels and functions very differently.
The husk that once looked useless is actually packed with industrial potential. This full process shows how one byproduct can feed several manufacturing categories.
Strength, texture, and support all come from the same humble coconut husk.
From tropical farms to finished products, the coconut husk completes an impressive industrial journey.
Every stage adds value, transforming waste into products people use every day. The fiber itself is the bridge between the farm and the finished market goods.
This is how coconut husks become ropes, floor mats, and mattresses inside a modern factory. Thank you for watching Mega Processing Tech. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment what factory we should explore next.